I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you, you know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong, who's smart from who's a fool, which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really. You bitches really get carried away, making mistakes, then you beg me to stay. Got me wigging on you like I'm arrogant tape. You got my mind in a terrible place, whipped and changed you like American slave. Act like you not used to Sheridan Stays. I met the nigga you thought could replace. How would that even comparisons made? Bitch, next time I swear on my grandmother's grave, I'm slamming you for them kid choices you made. Slamming you out, slamming you out, slamming you out. Hey, this ain't the latest I could get on you bitches. Send wires on wires on wires like Idris. You lucky that I don't take back what was given. I could have you on payment plan till you're 150. And my star right here, she got some bars for y'all niggas. So I'ma fall back and let SZA talk her shit for a minute. Slamming you out, slamming you out, slamming you out.
Damn, these niggas got me so twisted. How the fuck you so real but blame bitch on my line? I can feel what you're spinning. Not too much pride to let no burn it. Go slide me out, pull up, go right about mine. I got time, let's discuss all those lies about fretting out here like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming up in and out, and you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole wearing it out. I'm going on like a sort of. You turn these hoes, you ain't cuddling, but with me you know you doing all that shit. You telling these hoes you ain't tricking off, but with me you know I'm gon' get it all. How you niggas get so carried away, tripping when that dick is barely third place. Fucked out of pity, it's cute that you lame. Dip cause it's mad, I can fake like it's hang. It's slamming you out, it's slamming you out, it's slamming you out. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, January you pretend to see life clearly, dearly. February is a time that you put the evil eye and the pride aside for the fantasy of getting married. Very scary. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring is in just like a spring you start to spiral. May bring some warmer days, poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you moving ice cold, going back and forth with a merry man. July, that's when I found out. July, August, it was baby this, baby trust showing me at DMs how they tryna bag you. Ironic how the news I got about you ended up being bad news. Get a nigga hit for 50 racks, girl, the beef costs like it's Wagyu. Get a nigga hit, I make his ass see the light like a half moon. Shot the QC, pretty sure I made PMs like it's past noon. All I really know is W's and M's, life looking like a bathroom. All I really know is handbags like I drove through and ordered fast food. Saying now I'm too guarded with my feelings, who the fuck even asked you? 7 bodyguards just in case somebody really wanna try and crash through. Don't know why I listen to you when I hear you talking to me in some half-truths. If I don't pay rent, it end up like a whole hairstyle, girl, it's past due. If I don't